What's up, guys? Welcome to PLS. I'm going to show you a DIY hack you can do if you don't have a light, a ring light, or any kind of light for your tripod setup. So what you do is you take a flashlight, okay, and a hair tie. If you have these laying around, you can get this from the dollar store, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, online. If your girl has one, if you have long hair and you have one, let me show you what to do with these. You're gonna wrap one end here on the back. Essentially, you're gonna wrap it around the middle pole. Okay. Turn this on so you can get a better view. All right. Try it this way. And what you're gonna do is essentially wrap it around the butt. Wrap the other end around the pole, the free loop. You're gonna wrap it around tip of your flashlight, and you can adjust it accordingly. Okay, so it looks like this. All right, pretty simple, pretty easy. Now you have yourself a little vlogging system. So when you're vlogging, you have it set up, you have that camera or that flashlight pointing where you need it. Alright, hope this helps. Welcome to Protect Them and Survive. Peace.